Hello, my name is Biplav Acharya and today I am going to make a calculator using that application. The calculator will consist number from 0 to 1 and it can add, subtract, multiply, divide. Now the design portion of the calculator is here. This is text where we will enter the numbers, and this is in linear layout, and the other and this button all these buttons that are shown here are in grid layout, so we will make a grid layout inside linear layout and all the buttons are made accordingly. Now this is the main activity of the program where all the Java code will be written. This is here we will make variable for edit text buttons, and this is to store the value which will come from the edit text, which is first and second, and these are the booleans value which will which we will explain later. Now all the buttons value are assigned to this variable which we made above, and we will set a on click listener, and we will check if which button is clicked. So example, if button 1 is clicked, then we will set the edit text value to 1. If the button 2 is clicked, then we will set the value to 2, and so on. Now if addition button is clicked, then this condition, then we will execute this code, which is where if edit text is null, then we will set the edit text to empty string, but if otherwise, we will get the value of edit text and store it to first. Then the variable which we made above, we will assign it to true, and we will clear the edit text by assigning its value to null. And again in subtraction we will do the same thing. If it is null, then we will set edit text to empty string, and if there is any value, then we will assign it to first, to the variable first, and we will make execute if we subtract true, and so on. We will do so again the same thing in button division and in button multiplication. Now if we click the button equals, then if we click the button equals, then this this logic will execute, where when we enter the value in edit text, it will store in second variable. Now as we have set all the execute if addition, execute multiplication, subtraction and division true, then we will check if it is true. Now if execute if addition is true, then we will add those two, first value and second value, and so first value and second value, and we will and we will set the execute if addition false, and we will do same in execute if subtract, execute if multiplication, execute if division, and so on. Now the now the app is ready to be tested. Let's see demo. 4 plus 5 equals to 9. Let's see the application is working perfectly. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So we can see that this application is working perfectly. Thank you.